Hi, are you looking Excel dependent list box in user form? I will show you how to create this list box. First, here see this GIF. First, when you choose any supplier, it here showing the assigned categories, and inside the categories you're showing the related product. When you click the product, there is the price selection. Okay, go to the downloads button, and I provide this link on my video description. You click this link and download the practice file. When you download, show the folders and click the property and check unblock option and apply, click OK. I open this file, the enable macros. Okay, when you click this user form, see here, we should show our supplier with unique supplier. When you click the Alibaba related categories is showing in here. This cell phone and accessory have a two products. In the garden and outdoor have a three product. When you choose any product, you will see the price, which is the current price. Okay, let me explain the coding. This is the sources code of this project. You will copy and paste your form. In this sheets, let me do it. In this sheet, first of all, go to the formula and name manager. See here, this offset functions assigned to all of your column categories, price, product, and supplier. See here, this is the formulas. You defined a dynamic name on 4 columns. Second, copy these codes and paste your user form. And let me explain to you the codes. Here I use the option compare text. The option compare is a specific string comparing method. Here I add a list box click. When you list box 1 is the click, and this is the list box 2 click, and this is a list box 3 click. Okay, first if list box dot list index equal to -1 and is error application. Here I use the application match function in list box, and here is a supplier comma 0. Then create a objective scripting directory. Okay, here I use a loop, and there is the next loop, and here I use the like statements. See this all codes and copy this codes on my descriptions and use this as per your requirement. I show you how is it working. See here, when you choose any correct supplier, this category is related of your supplier. When you choose any categories, this product is related to your suppliers and categories, and here is the price. We understand the list box 3. And here this is all is the coding of this list box. Better you download this file on my description and use it and modify as per your requirement. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye bye.